Hi, welcome back to CS170. I'm just going to cut a very quick video here to go over the data validation tool in Excel. It's a pretty simple thing. So hopefully I can do that as one quick video, and then I'll cut the final video for the pivot. So this is the last one of this slide, which I will be publishing soon tonight. As it says, it's the data validation tool. And you can see it under data, and then it'll say data validation over here. I'm going to come back to my little airline sheet here to kind of show you what's going on here. So here I am on data, and then let me select this. Let's say I want to check on these. And well, I mean, you have a couple of different things in terms of like checking duplicates and whatnot, but let me do the validation part here. So I'm going to click on it. And so what do we want to do? Well, I want to say, maybe I want to say the count of cancels only makes sense if it's a whole number. And maybe it's between 0 and 100. Right, I'm being very simple about it. I mean, we can kind of make things more like a formula and stuff like that, but let's just say it's a whole number between 0 and 100. Okay, and then you can do this input message thing, which I'm not really too keen on it. I think it's like too much noise and stuff like that. And I think for this class, you don't need to know that part. What you would have is like this error here. So it would do a stop, and then I'm going to just say bad data. Right? Obviously, I don't have to say that. I can say something that gives more details about like why is this a bad data. But for now, I'm just going to come up with a very vanilla statement, just as bad data. Okay. So I've applied it for all of these cells here for this data validation. So let's see what happens. Let me put a negative number in here, see what happens. You can see bad data, right? And then it just reverts it back to what it was before, which was the 4, right? Now, let me put in like 200, let's say. Again, it's bad data, right? Not a great error message because it doesn't tell you like, why is this bad data? But like I said, I'm just cranking out this check for you very quickly here. But anyway, that's what the data validation is all about, right? So you're in the data, and then you select the cells you want to apply a check to, and then you do data validation over here. And then you can play around with these different things here. Okay, so I know I cut this video very quickly, but I just wanted to keep these videos separate to cover different topics. All right, so stay tuned for the pivot table video shortly. Okay, thank you.